Create and connect Bitget wallet on PC. Now into this video I will show you how to create and connect Bitget wallet on PC. Now first of all, make sure you open your browser and go to Google. Now after that, search for Bitget wallet like this. Now go to the official website. Now tap on it. Now after that, click on this icon or click on download. So you have two choices, or you can click on one of these platforms, or we have Chrome here, Edge, like Android, Apple. So click on download. Now after that, it will show you this information about Android. If you have Android, if you are iOS, but for us, we need to install the Bitget wallet on our PC. Now click on Chrome and click on Chrome Web Store. Now they will redirect you to Chrome Store. Now click on Add to Chrome. After that, add the extension. Now after a while, the extension will install in your browser. Now wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, the Bitget wallet is installed in our browser. Now the next step is to create a wallet. So if you don't find it here, just click on this icon management and go to Bitget wallet like you see here and click on pinned icon. Now as you can see, it will appear here in the top bar. Now after that, click on create a wallet, or if you have import wallet, or if you have a wallet before, click on import wallet. But for our case, we need to create a new wallet. Create a new wallet. Now make sure to enter a strong password. So I will create a password like this. Now re-enter the password. Now make sure it is the same. Now after that, click on next. Now as you can see, we need to you need to save this phrase or recovery phrase in a safe place. So as you can see, I will just take a screenshot and now I will save it in a safe place, or I will leave it here to remember it. Now click on backup your recovery phrase. After that, they will ask you about this question. Now the word number 2 is display, and the word number 5 is post, like this, display post. Now the number 10 is spoil, so it will go like this. So display post spoil. Now click on next. So after that, you need to wait a few seconds to finish creating your wallet. So as you can see, the wallet is successfully created. Now what you need to do is click on the Bitget wallet icon in top bar, and as you can see, here is your wallet. You can send, you can receive, you can swap, you can buy. Now after you creating your Bitget wallet on your PC, know how to connect it. Now open a new tab and click or type Bitget wallet. Now enter it. So we will go to the website. Now after we create our wallet, now you need to connect the wallet. Just click on connect. Now as you can see, they show you this, just read it, and after that click on connect and your Bitget wallet will connect it. So this is how to create and connect your Bitget wallet on PC. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.